Majority Leina Leina Sida President's Role Thamjillakliba Asi Yamna Ngakpa Thoudok Amani HAINA AICC gi Manipur INCHARGE SAPTAGIRI SANKAR ULAKA na PHONGDOKHRE Wafam asing asi BT Rote Laiba Congress Bhavan da Pangthokiba Paugi Mifam Amada Mahangna Phongdokhibani AICC gi Secretary Christopher Tilak CLP Leader Oibobi Mpcc gi President MLA K Megazandra CWC gi Member Gai Khangam Hanagi MP Dr. T Maina Yauna Mpcc gi Luchingba Kayana Sarugyaduna Pangthokiba Paugi Mifam Aduda Saptagiri Sankar Ulakana Hai Chahi ani faraklaba irang asigi waroisin puraknaba lengangna akanba mongda honari Party asigi luchingba Rahul Gandhi masanasu starasida hagthengnana laktuna irang asina sokhallaba shingi awabada sarugyaki masigi mathakta irang asigi matangda MP kunmathoina saba team ama Manipur laktuna irang asigi phibam yengsinki Parliament ki mifam dasu no confidence motion thangatki adubu laibak thibadi irang asigi matangda Prime Minister na wafam ama fawba ningthina phongdokpa leitri Manipur Prime Minister Lakpinaba Maike Kyadagi Kyarak Hanna Hairabasu Ngasi Fawba Laktri Asuk Luraba Tanfam Asida MLA Masing Yamna Leiba Double Engine gi lengak ni haizariba sina miyam gi lengak mutatlaga President's Role Thamjillakliba Asi Ngakpa Amani HAINA su mahangna makataki
The Prime Minister simply refuses to talk about Manipur. We brought a no confidence motion in the Parliament, which Amit Shah had replied, but the Prime Minister he didn't utter a single word. He did say something in the Rajya Sabha, but that was not satisfactory for us. And it's almost 2 years that we've been demanding always in the Parliament that Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi should come to Manipur, talk to the people and solve the problem. A little late, too late, but in spite of having 55 MLAs, they had to force their CM way out and that was because of the constant pressure from our CLP leader or PCC president and the 5 MLAs that we have. They have 55 MLAs, but they have present rule in the state. This is unprecedented. This means that they have accepted that they are not capable of administrating, they are not capable of giving any solution to the people of Manipur, they are not capable of bringing all the groups together and have a discussion, consultation or something. They are not capable of anything.